Benjamin, I have to ask you something about the video.
What?
Next week is the last episode for this series, so we have to think of something really good to do for next week's video.
You mean on my birthday video?
No, for my last video here.
Oh.
But
you gotta go to somewhere like the city. You gotta play if you want to get even more.
Yeah.
Too.
And we are back in Bakungang. This is my friend here. Hello po. This is where we get our fruits and vegetables before we go to Isla. Christian's gonna get some ice for us. And buckle up, because this ride we're gonna get wet. It's more ulan in the Philippines. Did I say something about rain? I'm already dried off. All right. Welcome to Isla. Whew. Looks like it's been raining here. Looks like it's gonna rain too. Ah! Better hurry up and get to the house. Who's behind me? Hello, bear. How you doing, little bear? I knew somebody was sniffing my legs. Where's Prada, huh? Is Prada here? Well, we're back at the Monkey Cafe. Ain't even lunchtime yet. 4 bananas gone already. Monkeys must be hungry today. So, here we go. Here's the monkey can. All right. Here's the bananas. I'm not a monkey. Looks like table number 2's empty also. All right. Monkeys are hungry today. It's been a rainy week. I bet they're probably anxious for some food there. There we go. There's the monkey cam. I'm not a monkey. I can say it right. It is another beautiful day here at Serendipity Point. Yeah, good morning, chicken. Yeah. And I just can't make any sense of this rainy season now. Does it look like a rainy day to you? No. So, anyways, since we got some dry weather, got some things to do. I started earlier on the Serendipity Point sign there. Put some brown paint on. We'll add a little bit of white for the letters. Alrighty, that's the way a sign should look. I can see behind the sign right over there, Serendipity Point, the point. It's low tide right now, so we say we head over to the cave, as we promised a couple weeks ago, clean the plastic bottles out of it. Say hi to all the bats. Hey, just crossed the other side of the rock beach. Yeah, these flowers look familiar. Aren't they pretty? The ones at my house. These are the ones they planted a couple of years ago. No idea they got this big. Yeah, lots of flowers. It's gonna look real beautiful. All right, let's keep going. Hey, yeah, we made it. Crab's nowhere here too. But it's getting out of our way. This is what I'm talking about. This is the tricky part, getting to the cave. This is no joke. You gotta time this with the tides. Look like fun? Man-made wave pool. Rocks and everything in the way. Alright, well, we just gotta get past that point. All about timing. Alright. Well, the bats all seem to be sleeping like way up high, so I'm not gonna be able to like do any 3D wake-up calls this time. But we're here for a purpose. That stuff. Let's get to work. Hey, remember the coconut tree that's grown inside the cave there? Turns out we got a little friend here. Man, we might have coconuts growing in this tree in a few years. Amazing. Well, this is about as far as I got into the palm trees there, which, oh man, there's a lot of plastic still. 2 bags. People, please stop buying plastic water bottles. I still got all this to go here. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it back, but we'll see. In the meantime, when all the bats sleep, yeah, they're sleeping all right. All right, let's head out of here. Now, it wouldn't be a full week without a stop at the monkey pool, would it? By the way, if any of you guys come up with a better name for this place than monkey pool, please leave it in the suggestions or the comments down below, because I just call it the monkey pool because just up the way there is where the monkeys like to hang out. And so I just figured maybe this is their swimming pool. I don't know. Don't tell them I'm here. Playing around with the stream just a little bit, moving rocks around. And there, now we got a full waterfall. Yeah, pretty. It's worth the trip here. I don't know how she did it. The Prada caught a fish. She's guarding it too. I don't know who she got that from. Did you steal that? Huh? And we are back at the Monkey Cafe, table 2. I know monkeys don't eat bananas from the inside out. I wonder who's been munching on these. Ugh. Yeah, it could be butterflies or something like that. Anyways, table number 2. You heard me. And speaking of trail cams, remember I got the one trail cam here, the other one chicken. Better get out of here. You heard me. Anyways, got one trail cam over there, the other one right here. Remember where the third one is? Oh boy. Yeah. When we first got here, we took it all the way up the hill, which is where we're going. See what's on that card, change it out. Here we go. I think this is it. I think we found the trail cam. There it is. Still in one piece. Doesn't look like any monkeys have been chewing on it or anything. This is a little crooked though. All right. Now we're up here. Check out who followed me. I was just about to say what a terrible, exhausting trip it is up here, and this guy just makes it look like it's easy. All right, must be my weakness. Anyways, we're gonna bring this thing back down with us, but you guys have seen the path before, so I'm gonna let you guys go a different way. See you at the bottom. Alright, well, a lot of things went wrong right there. That sound familiar? Okay, what I was planning on doing was coming all the way up here to get the stealth cam and bring it down with me, and I was going to have you guys fly in the drone back down. As you'll see in the video, as soon as I was getting close to the house, I was losing the signal. And the Phantom 4 has a built-in system where if it loses transmission, it comes right back to... Am I on the path? No, I'm not. Oh, I'll go this way. I'm getting lost. Boy, a lot of things are going wrong. At least it's not raining. Hey, puppies, let's go back down. We'll explain it all later. Alrighty. Well, like I said, those puppies... They can climb all the way up that hill and make it back down. They've earned a treat. Ready, puppies? Oh, tough island puppies.
It's a good day to be alive. It's a good all day to be alive. good day. Why does it take so much to get by? And why do I even try? It's a good day to be alive. It's a good old day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. Yeah.
Wait. Say that again?
And my dad is getting McDonald's. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
For McDonald's?
Yeah.
Definitely. Like and subscribe so I can have McDonald's.